Hello, Your Royal Majesty,
Hi.
King Agugbaloa.
Hi,
May
Musa.
you introduce yourself to the public to know you, like we the beautiful, sexy ladies know you.
Yeah, you're right. You're right. Um, Happy New Year 2022. All the beautiful people in the whole world. All my people in the whole world. My name is His Royal Highness King Jeff Agugbaloa. All of you already know, but in case you don't know, His Royal Majesty is FG the King, the musical name. FG the King, all of you already know. I am the superstar music star. I'm a singer. FG the King is a superstar Hollywood movie actor. FG the King is a Royal Majesty CEO of Attitude Unit Gold Class. FG the King is CEO Attitude Oil and Gas. FG the King is Attitude CEO Attitude all the music, Attitude Music. FG the King is CEO, Attitude Movie. FG the King is CEO, Attitude Blink Models. FG the King is the CEO of Attitude Unit International for the collections of every product of Attitude Unit, in case you don't know, but I know all of you already know. FG the King is His Royal Highness King Jeff Agugbaloa, Ezendebo, one of United Arab Emirates, sitting king of the whole existing Igbo people in the whole Arab Emirate, Dubai. FG the King is Ogu 7 of Ogu Kingdom, Nwana Moloha 1 of Enugu State. FG the King is Agugbaloa Ndibo Ninejaba. FG the King is Obanjena Abwego, 1 of Africa, the whole world. I am not mistaken. FG the King is still the CEO, the big CEO, biggest boss of Attitude Gold Class, the King of Gold, in case you don't know. FG the King is still the CEO of Attitude Champagne Gold Class. FG the King is the CEO of every product of Attitude Unit, the eyeglasses, the cup, the bags, the walking stick, the hand fan for the royalty, the hand fan for the royalty. FG the King is the CEO of every international product of crown, the anything you can talk about, the every walking stick, the majesty, royal majesty cup, the every sizes of cup, and the exclusive handbags, traveling bags, the purse bag, the everything that is classic. FG the King is the CEO of every com combinations of things that make luxury life, VVIP life, and I'm selective. It's only VIP that patronize my products. Only celebrities, super celebrities that have money, that patronize my products. It's only people that is high class royalty that can patronize my products. I don't need too much people. Few people make me billionaire. I am not in no class of cheap products. My product is first class, most expensive. Attitude Unit, share my garden video. But in case you don't know, I'm still the Royal Highness, the King Jeff Agugbaloa, Iyelioba 1, Mbana Hanamba, Nwana Muloha 1 of Enugu State, Agobatambada Woloso, Owanitina na Hokunoba, Mbosiebada worldwide. In case you don't know, ladies and gentlemen, can I hear you one more time, pretty lady?